Hello everyone, how to extract text in Excel without filter. So let's start the first open your Excel and here you can see I have a name and amount details. So select first entire column. So I select here the first cell and press here shortcut key shift control down arrow to select entire column. Then press the shortcut key Control G to open go to dialog box. Then click on the spatial option and click on here constants option. In formulas, deselect the numbers option, deselect the logical option and deselect the error option. Only the text option here selected because we are going to extract text from this selected data. Just click on OK and here you see only text here selected showing. Now press the Ctrl C to copy your selected text and select the cell where you want to paste. So I select the cell and use here Ctrl V to paste your text only. And if you want to remove text from this column, again I select here entire column and press the Ctrl G and in spatial click on the constant, deselect the number logical error and select only text and click on OK. Now your text is selected. So here if you used Ctrl X to cut the text, here the Microsoft Excel showing the error. This can't be done on the multiple ranging selection. Select a single range and try again. So therefore I use here Ctrl C and Ctrl V to paste your text. So I just close this. So to remove the text, after select your all text, press the delete key of the keyboard and that's it. Now here you can see your text also remove. So this is a way you can extract text in Excel without filter. Hope you understood. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.